Hi guys, welcome to Southport Honda. Today we've got this fantastic looking Honda Jazz 1.5 Sport automatic in Milano red. So what I'm going to do is do a quick video around the outside, and for a more personalised video please don't hesitate to call us on 01704 500 501 and ask for one of our qualified salesmen today. Okay, so on the Sport we've got parking sensors on the front, the full black sport wheels and black wing mirror caps. There's the reg, PK68GZT. Parking sensors on the rear. Take you inside now. So because it's the Sport, you get the black and orange cloth seating. There's the service book. You get 2 keys. And this car has only got, if you see that, 10,100 miles on the clock. So it's not done many miles at all. Okay guys, so if you want any more information on this car, or if you've got any questions, please give us a call and we'll be happy to help in any way we can. Thank you, bye now.